Welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today in our session we will show you how to use a Visual Studio Code in Python, that is our compiler. In the last session I have told you. So in our today's session we will show you how to use operators in Python and what are the types of operators. So let's go. Now, what is operator? It is a module exports a set of efficient functions corresponding to the intrinsic operators of Python. For example, like operator add x comma y is equivalent to the operators of Python. First of all, I will comment this all part here like this. So, for example, like operator add x comma y, add parenthesis x comma y. So, this is our first operator in arithmetic operator. Basically, it is a special symbol that carries out arithmetic or logical or any other computation. Python can construct which symbol can be used to manipulate the values of operands. So there are list of operators generally in Python. Divide the operator in the following groups. So our first operator will be arithmetic operator. Second will be our assignment operator. Third one, comparison. Fourth, logical. Fifth, identity. Sixth one, membership. And last, that is seventh one, bitwise operator. So in our first session, we will show you first three operators: arithmetic operator, comparator, assignment, comparison, assignment operator. So one by one, I will show you here. So our first operator is arithmetic operator. These operators that are used with numerical values to perform common mathematical operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and pure division. So what is modulus operator? Modulus operator is an inbuilt operator that returns the remaining numbers by dividing the first number from second modulus operator and gives the remainder as output symbol. The symbol is percentage here for modulus, as you see here. So hence it is called as remainder operator also. Here what remainder is comes, if I divide here, suppose 20 divided by 4. So what will be, it will give me remainder as 0 if I use 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So that means 4 is my divisor, 5 is my quotient, and 20 is my dividend. So my remainder will be 0. So that means 20 divided by 4 will be 0 of modulus. And the next one is exponent. That means exponential arithmetic operator. So here one important basic arithmetic operator in Python is exponent operator. The symbol is double asterisk. It takes in two real numbers as input arguments and returns in a single number. That means 4 to the power 3. My exponent is 3 and base is 4. So 3 times multiple of 4 will be is equal to 64. And second example of exponent is 3 raised to 4. That means 3 multiple 4 number of multiple times is equal to 81. That is my exponent arithmetic operator. And last one is floor division arithmetic operator. Floor division is an operator in Python that allows us to divide two numbers and round the resultant value down to the nearest integer. The symbol is double slash. In this example, let's take 101 as numerator and 4 is denominator. Integer division 101 divided by 4 returns 25 with the remainder 1. So that is my floor division example. So let us show you. Here I will put x is equal to like I will put here 10 and y is equal to 3. So all the operators I will put here. The main operators are generally in arithmetic, modulus, exponential and floor division. Rest of the remaining operators are same like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You know about that. So I will start here run. So here I have get the output of all 7 arithmetic operators. Output has been given here in terminal. So I hope you seen it. Now we will move to next operator, that is assignment operator. So generally assignment operators is used to assign the values to variables in Python. Like example x is equal to 1, that means number will be stored into the variable. So there are a total 11 assignment operators, but we will see here only 6 operators here in assignment. So first I will put here some variable, some value in variable, like x is equal to 1. And here what is it? This is an add and equal operator. So first is our simple assignment operator. That means we have assigned the value in variable. If I show here, this one I will comment first. And I will run the file. So generally what I get, x is equal to 1. That means 1 is assigned in my variable. This one I have also put here. Yeah. So generally it shows in output terminal that simple assignment operator x is equal to 1. That means 1 is stored in x variable, and that I have shown here print x. So we have got here 1. Now for addition operator, I will add here another value. that is 100. So what will done? It will add here in add an equal operator. I will so run the Python file. Yes, add an equal operator has been given the output. That means 100 plus 1 is equal to 1 that I got. Now our next operator is subtract an equal operator in assignment. So for that I will add here again 200. Now I will run the file. That means it will give me 100 minus 1. That means 99 minus 99. It starts from 1 minus 100. That's why it gives me 99 answer. Yeah, now it is right here. Actually, I have put here 200, but now it gives me 199 answer because x is equal to 1. That is variable 1 is assigned here, and here I have put here my minus 200. That means 1 minus 200 is equal to minus 199. That is my answer of the next year assignment operator, that is subtract. Now this asterisk operator, that means multiplication. Now I will put here 150 and 150 and I will run the file. It gives me 150 here. That means it multiply with 1. Now I will uncomment this one also. This is our divide operator. So for that I will change here value 140 and I will put here 700. So it will divide 700 divided by 140. That will give me the answer 0.2. That is right here. So in this I will show here only modulus and equal operator here. So now I will put here 1000 ml. Sorry, only 1000. Run this Python file. It will give me the all answers of operators. Like I have got 40, 200 is the output of 6000. Asterisk equal 8.57. So like this assignment operator is used in Python. So we will move our next operator, that is comparison operator. So here this operator compares the value on either sides of them and decides the relation among them. Like operator, if I given double is equal to, that means x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Print x double is equal to y, that means value 5 is not equal to 3 here. Similarly, if I go to next operator, like print x not equal to y, and I will do here print. It gives me true here. Our first one is false because y is not equal to 3, and this one is print semicolon is equal to. That means it gives me if two values of two operands are not equal, then condition becomes true. And next one is our greater than and equal to. Print parenthesis x less than and equal to y. This is also same in Python. Okay, I will show you first this one greater than. Yeah, it is come true because the if two values of left operator is greater than value of right operator, my left operator is 5 and my right operator is 3. So it becomes true. That's why it come here true here output. Now if I put print x less than y, so it becomes false because the value of left operator, that is x, and the right operator is y, then it becomes false here because 3 is less 3 is less than 5. So next operator will be print so it becomes true here. Here what I have put print x greater than is equal to y. That means if the value of left operand is less than value of right operand, then it becomes true value. Generally in comparison operator, we compare the value that it is true or false. So here why I am giving this why I have get here output as true and false because it compares the value. So our last one will be print x less than equal to y. That gives me false. Left operator is less than or equal to the value of right operator. That becomes here true. But in this case it becomes false because our left operator is 5 and it is not equal to with 3. That means it gives me false value. So in our this session we have covered here arithmetic, assignment and comparison operator. I hope you like it. In our next session we will cover remaining operators in Python, that is logical, identity, membership and bitwise operator. So thank you for watching it. In the next session I will show you this operator, identity, membership and bitwise operator. So thank you for watching it. Stay blessed.